Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Beauty Forever hair again, and it's the same packaging as last time. Really like this little, tote that they send. The packaging also got a drawstring bag. All right, so let's get into what's inside. Of course, I'm seeing the wig. We got a few goodies, and then we're gonna get into the wig last. So I did get a pair of HD wig caps, a drawstring bag with another pair of HD wig caps, and a set of press-on nails, and lastly a branded elastic headband. Now let's get into the wig of the day. This is Beauty Forever's 5x5 Yaki straight lace closure wig. This is already pre-bleached, pre-cut. It is HD. It looks so natural. Texture feels very strong. It's very flowy. I believe this is 24 inches long, but I'm gonna put the specifications down below so you guys can double check that again. 150% in density, but as I said, just check my description box to verify everything, and the direct link will also be down there. But ooh, this looks so good. It's so well constructed. It, as I said, it's a 5x5, very beginner friendly, definitely glueless. This is how the inside of the construction of the cap looks. Has this adjustable elastic band, adjustable straps in the back, a non-slip strip to just add to security. There's also a curve at the ear portion, so that sits on the head really comfortable, and it is constructed really nicely. There's also a comb in the back to add to security as well, so that looks great. Okay, so all you need to just do is go ahead and throw this on, slip this on, and you can have a really flawless glueless install. The movement is so nice. Love that. So let me just go ahead and slip this on for you. It's gonna be so easy and to the point, very beginner friendly. So let's go. So once you adjust your elastic band, oh, this is so snugged. Wow, that is super snugged. Absolutely love it. Right away as I slip this on, like, there isn't any cast or anything. This looks so good. Like, it is pre-cut, pre-plucked to perfection. Like, you see how laid this is on my head? This is not going anywhere. Let me show you how secure this is. It's not going anywhere. It's nice and flat. The hair feels good. No adhesive needed. Like, oh wow. Let me show you that you still have space to work with if you want to switch up the parting. So you could go ahead and give this like a nice side part. And it's definitely giving scalp. It definitely looks very realistic. It doesn't look overly bleached. Nothing looks fake. At the end of the day, I know we're wearing a wig, but we don't want to look wiggy. No, that's not the vibe. So you want to look nice and natural. That is a vibe. I'm gonna pretty much move on to just getting the top really nice and laid with the wax stick, and then I'm gonna get my hot comb. Of course, I'm gonna run through it and make it very nice and even more bone straight, but this is the natural straightness straight out of the packaging. Hair is nice and full, and it definitely gives that natural look, like ultimate natural look, like you straightened your natural hair. So I feel like a Yaki texture is always great for that, if that's the vibe you're going for. And as I said, I love the realisticness of the lace. I won't go in to like reinforce it any further with concealer, because something about it having this fainter look after, you know, with the help of bleaching it, just looks way more realistic. So I'm gonna keep it like that, and I'm just gonna get my flat iron and run through the hair. But so far so good. It looks like something that's definitely melted, and it's not. So don't we love a good wig like that? But let me get into it with my flat iron. And that's it. That is it. So beginner friendly, so easy to style, so easy to install, no salon needed to install this wig and look great. Okay, yeah, Beauty Forever definitely did that. And as I said, I love how realistic everything just looks. A wig like this is definitely a must have in your collection. Like, look at that. Look at that movement. What? Are you kidding? It is so flawless. Look at that. Yeah, it's a 10. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. The quality is 100% there. Minimal shedding, by the way. Please know that. Minimal shedding. Easy to style, easy to work with, easy to install. They get it. Okay. This is how your glueless wig should operate. This is how it should look. You know, very easy, very to the point, super simple. You know, it's like a grab and go wig. You don't have all the time in the world to get ready kind of vibe. So yeah, Beauty Forever, you definitely did that with today's 5x5 HD lace closure pre-everything kinky straight wig. You did that. But yeah, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself in the description box, as well as all specifications, any deals that are available. You can go ahead and check that out as well, because you know it's November. It's the month for all the sales when it comes down to Black Friday and all of that good stuff. So yeah, you don't want to miss out on that, so go ahead, check out my description box. But yeah, that's it for today's video. That's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, share it, like it, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. But that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.